So, next step, as always, this video is going to focus on how to line up your shower handles in sync with one another. So, it's on, that's off. I want them all to be vertical when they're off. So, the trick to this is get your plate on, get this plate on, get it set up, pick the right adapter. I call that a U-joint, but it's not a U-joint. I don't know what you call that, but get that on there, the right distance. The package comes with multiple different sizes. This is medium, the one on there is small, and then there's a large one here. So you get that on there. Your handle, if you look, has a screw hole in there. Take that screw out, take the handle out. Whoa. This part comes apart, this rod comes off, that comes off. Then screw this onto there. Be nice and gentle because we're cutting costs here at Kohler for $300 handles. We use plastic instead of brass. Incredible. Anyway, thread that on there, thread just this piece on there. Line up your splines with this part, so that it's all in sync. Then carefully, without moving this, unscrew this part. It will rotate without a problem. And then you just have to screw it back in and then it won't move. So that's the hard part, is unscrewing this without moving that. It's tough to do this with one hand, so I can't show you a video about it. Anyway, hope this helps.